Hey there guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel The Indian Jugaads, and today I will be talking about LEDs, one of the most basic components in the electronics field. Today I will be giving an overview of LEDs. So guys, as you can see, this is a normal LED. This is a 3-volt LED. Let's power it up. There are a variety of different types of LEDs. All types of LEDs work on a simple principle. Firstly, I will be explaining the principle to you. So let's get to the copy. So guys, as you can see, this is a simple circuit consisting of a battery. This is the plus terminal, this is the minus terminal, a switch and an LED. Now let's see inside this LED. So guys, LEDs are basically PN junction diodes. Making a separate video on the topic of diodes. For now, let's look at what magical mumbo jumbo happens in here. So guys, LED is basically nothing but a PN junction diode with a positive plate and a negative plate and a junction between them. Positive plate is connected to the positive side of the battery and the negative plate is connected to the negative side of the battery. As you know, the electrons flow from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the battery. So the electrons come from this terminal and accumulates in this negative plate like this. Now, due to the accumulation of negative charges on the negative plate, positive charges also accumulate in the positive plate. And this junction is made up of a semiconductive layer, and when there is enough charge buildup on both the plates, this semiconductive layer becomes conductive, fully conductive, and an electric discharge takes place, and that's the moment when the LED lights up. The electrons from the negative plate starts to flow to the positive plate like this and continues to flow from the negative plate to the positive plate and also continues to emit light. Now you might ask that LEDs are monochromatic and they can be of different colors. How the different colors can be obtained from this phenomenon? Well, the answer to that is the speed of flow of electrons or the fusion rate of the positive and the negative charges at this junction. The difference in the speed of the flow of electrons or the difference in the fusion rate emits different wavelengths of light. That's why they appear to be of different colors to the human eye. But if too much voltage is applied to the LED, this PN junction gets damaged. Sometimes these two plates gets joined due to the high voltage, and that's when the LED is considered to be blown up. But in most of the cases, applying a high voltage to the LED damages this junction and the LED stops working. Design wise, there are mainly two types of LEDs out there in the market. Number one, the THD LEDs or the through hole design type of LEDs like this, and the second one are the SMD LEDs like this, surface mount design. Now I will be showing you some different types of LEDs. Now these are some of the different shapes and sizes of LEDs. This image shows you different colors of LEDs. These are some of the icons that are used to resemble different types of LEDs. This image shows you the different color temperatures that an LED is capable of emitting. This is the image of a magnified SMD RGB
Now
LED.
I will be showing you some LEDs that I have right now. So now I will be testing each one of them. This is a 12 volt DC power source. So now guys, as you can see, this is a 220 volt 5 watt LED with a B22 base. I will be trying to turn on this LED with this 12 volt power source. No, firstly let's try 3 volts. Now each time you see a glowing LED, you know what's happening inside. If you have gained some knowledge watching this video, or even if you have enjoyed the video, please give me a like, do share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And more such videos will be coming to my channel regularly. So subscribe my channel and never miss an update.